Hi everyone! Feeling stressed? Overwhelmed? Don't worry, you don't need to escape the city to find your self-care bliss. Let's explore how to bring nature's magic into your urban life. Today, we're trading concrete for green spaces and to-do lists for, well, just being present. Because even in the busy city, nature offers pockets of peace and rejuvenation. Even a small park, a rooftop garden, or even just a window box filled with flowers can be a sanctuary. Find a quiet corner, let the sounds of the city fade into the background, and focus on the natural elements around you. Feel the sun on your skin, the breeze on your face. Notice the details, the colors, the textures, the smells. I remember one particularly stressful week. I was feeling completely burnt out. I didn't have time for a long trip to the countryside, but I did have an hour for lunch. So I went to a small park near my place, sat under a tree, and just breathed. Chinese garden, Manila. I closed my eyes, listened to the birds chirping amidst the city noise. And it was enough. It was a mini escape, a little pocket of peace in the middle of the chaos. There are different ways to bring nature into a city environment. Houseplants, Japanese garden, Manila. A window view, listening to nature sounds, etc. If you don't have a nearby park, bring nature to you. Houseplants can dramatically improve your mood and air quality. Open your window and listen to the sounds of birds or rain. Even looking at pictures of nature can be calming. Pair your urban nature time with some healthy snacks and a good book. Or simply enjoy the peace and quiet. Let your mind wander. This is your time to unwind, recharge, and reconnect with yourself. Remember, self-care isn't selfish. It's essential. A CANOZA QC. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed in the city, remember the power of nature, even in its smallest forms. It's about finding those little. It's a simple, free, and incredibly effective way to boost your well-being. Pockets of peace and making them a part of your daily life. Manila Zoological and Botanical Garden, Manila. What are your favorite ways to connect with nature in the city?
Teka daw, pakita mo naman daw ng kaya daw.
Share your tips in the comments below.
Yung sa likod.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more self-care inspiration. See you in the next video.